What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another episode of Hustle with JesseW, and today we're gonna go over recaps. Well, guys, it looks like the fun might be over, at least for a little bit. We were having a lot of those, 100, 200% pre-market movers squeeze another 100% out of the open and into the late morning, and then late afternoon, around power hour. But today everything's been pop and fade, pop and fade. PHAS, look at this, straight pop and fade. Great for shorts if you have shorts available. Let's see here, DARE, which is still up 128%. This thing had a massive gap up. Let's see, look at this gap up. This is great, from $1 and change all the way up to 290s in pre-market. We had a quick little pop, and then it started to flag right up here over VWAP, and then it just collapsed, and it's been fading ever since. I'll show it to you if I can move this. Come on now. All right, so we have, well, this is INNT. This is another dump. Look at this one. It made a nice squeeze right out of the open and then fades. Look at that. That's crazy. So let's see here. DARE, DARE. We have that one available here, and it's another pop and fade, the one I was showing you earlier. But as you can see, it just keeps fading, fading, fading. Let's see here. ATOS is on the scan too. It's number 4 on the top gainers. This one got a little squeeze here. Not bad. Not bad at all, but still nothing simple. I mean, it opened up, dumped, came back up, dumped again, and then we had some flag squeezes here going on, which real nice move, from $4 to, what is this, 550, 530. But other than that, there's really nothing else going on, at least for long traders. How did you do today? Leave it in the comment section below. Remember to hit the subscribe button, smash that like, and also hit the notification bell so you're alerted every single time I upload a video. I hope you're having a great day. Talk to you later.